Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look as to what can be expected for you in the coming days of May. And as now I have joined Patreon also, I'm there and I'll be doing the extended readings there. So the link for the extended will be in the description box below. So if this reading resonates with you, then please click that link and join me on Patreon to have an clearer insight as to what's actually going on and how things are developing and what is expected. To have a clearer perspective, so do join me on Patreon. So let's see what can be expected for Pisces. What are the messages for Pisces? We have the Five of Wands, the Page of Swords, Queen of Wands, the Hangman, the Temperance, Nine of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, Ten of Swords, Nine of Pentacles. The World, the Justice, and the Ace of Cups. That's beautiful. So Pisces, we are starting with the Five of Wands. So definitely there is some conflict here. With the Five of Wands, you are dealing with some sort of a fight, argument, conflict within you, outside you, whatever it is. But there is definitely finding it hard to convince the other person, can be that. Okay, so definitely there is some sort of something going on between you and the other person, or it can be your own inner conflict as to what to do, what not to do. It isn't that big, but yes, there is some sort of a confusion here and there is some sort of a conflict here which is going on. Okay, but with the Page of Swords, I think you people are able to sort it out. You will be able to sort it out. You will understand after, maybe after some sort of a clear communication, you are able to sort it out and have a new beginning over here. And with the Queen of Wands, I think things are back in control. You're feeling good about yourself, feeling very happy, sensual, attractive, everything is fine. So what I feel is that whatever this is, these arguments and all, they are cleared up by some sort of a communication. Some clarity is brought by some communication to each other, and you things are back in par. You're feeling good about yourself here, about the entire situation in your life. And then we have the Hangman, the Temperance, and the Nine of Cups. So what I am getting here is, with these three cards, all these four cards to me are pointing towards something which is there but it's not moving forward. Okay, so you are feeling good about yourself, everything is fine and good. With the Hangmans, things are not moving forward, things are stuck, there is no progress in this situation, whatever the situation is for you. And but still you, or maybe you are just trying to think of the other perspective and trying to have a clearer picture of the situation, because you restarted here with the Five of Wands. So maybe everything has been sorted out, but still you are thinking about it and just trying to have other perspective to the situation. We'll clarify that on Patreon, what this exactly is and how it unfolds. But whatever the reason is, things are lying low, things are stagnant, things are not moving forward right now, they are stationary. It's a pause. Maybe you've given this pause on your own. Maybe that is your own decision to take it slow and let it be for a while you are taking time to think, or it can be because of certain circumstances that things are not progressing or moving forward. Okay, but with the Temperance being there, you are trying to moderate the situation. Things are, it's like you are okay, weighing the pros and cons, patiently thinking about it. So definitely you are trying to, brain is active here, you are definitely trying to think about whatever the situation is. It's not that your mind is not working here. Even if the situation is not progressing, your mind is working on how to achieve happiness in this situation, how to achieve that emotional contentment in this situation, what should be done, how to make this progress so that you are able to achieve this wish fulfillment and happiness. Okay, that is what it is. So that is the thing. So what I am getting here is that whatever this conflict is, even if it is within you, not necessarily with the other person, there is some sort of a clarity which is coming in, and you are making a pause here. You are willfully, I think, just trying to balance, sort out, think about it, think from each and every point of view, having a, even thinking out of the box as to how can you get happiness in your life. And then we have the Wheel of Fortune, the Ten of Swords, Nine of Pentacles, the World. So what I feel here is that there is a major change which is coming up with the Wheel of Fortune and the World being there, and there we have the Ace of Cups with the Justice. So definitely there is a huge change which is coming up, Pisces. Okay, and this huge change is going to end a cycle over here in your life. With the Ten of Swords, there has been cheating, lying, backstabbing, things have happened here which have totally knocked you down, taken you off balance, off guard, everything bad has happened, definitely yes. Okay, clouds were dark, they were, you really didn't even know will you be able to get back up or not. Everything was there, things were there, you always felt that people and life are knocking you down, and how will you get back up, what to do, what not to do. And it was not easy, it's not, definitely it wasn't easy, you always felt cheated, backstabbed, whatever it was. So definitely these experiences, whatever these experiences were, they were repeated patterns, they were happening again and again, and they were every time knocking you down. But this is ending now. The good news here is that things are changing. Okay, things are changing, this cycle is ending. We have the Ten of Wheels, the Ten of Swords, and opening up with the World, with the Nine of Pentacles in between, which is talking to me about healing. You're giving yourself the time. You know you've been knocked down, but you're again back up. You are again back up. You are not the person who will be knocked down. They will knock you down 10 times, 11 times, you will get back up again the 12th time and the 11th time. Okay, so you have again got back up. You are, yes, in your solace, in your own I should say self-imposed not loneliness, I should say. You are wanting to be alone here. You want to be in your own company. You want to take a step back and focus on your self-healing. You want to rejuvenate, and that is what you are doing. You are voluntarily being single. That's what I feel, because you really want time for yourself. So what I feel is this is the major time which you are giving to yourself. I really don't see any action here. Here also you are not making a move. You are just closed off totally. You are just wishing for happiness and emotional fulfillment, and your wishes are coming true. The way you are trying to take things slow, the way you are trying to handle things and moderating things, and then moving forward step by step, slowly and steadily perhaps. No major action, no rapid action. Your wishes are being fulfilled. Things are changing. This cycle is completing. You are getting back up, focusing on yourself, focusing on your healing. And where we have the Queen of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles, definitely you are feeling good about yourself. And then we have the World, the Justice, and the Ace of Cups. So definitely there is a huge change coming in, and you are tying a bow to whatever has ended, and you are entering a new world, entering a new life. And with the Justice, we have just see 1, 2, and 3 major cards here in this line. Okay, and 2 major cards here. So definitely a huge change is coming in for you, and with the Justice and the Ace of Cups. So I think the universe is making a decision for you. Things are getting balanced, things are getting sorted out. You are having a new beginning over here in which you feel really happy. A lot of emotional fulfillment, a lot of contentment is being offered to you. Okay, you have a really a new beginning over here. So whatever is ending definitely, and things are getting balanced. You are getting the justice you always wanted, and here you have the Ace of Cups, brimming, overflowing with your joy, overflowing with contentment. Okay, so it's a huge change which is coming in Pisces here. Let's see what is the message from this deck for Pisces. The Hierophant with the 5 of diamonds here. This is the Hierophant. This is stability. This is commitment. This is long term. A relationship or whatever the situation is, it is something long term and stable. Okay. Let's see what is the guidance from the angels for Pisces here. Fair decisions. Number 8 may be of some significance for you. Your angels are aware that you have concerns, but be assured that there is nothing to worry about. Stand your ground and know that the heaven is shining its divine light upon you. The situation and all is being healed. Take time to review all the details thoroughly. Just see. Forgiveness will bring peace to everyone involved. such a beautiful card, Pisces. So it is, you are in for a major change, Pisces. Everything is, I think destiny is really helping you out in this phase. That's what I feel. Okay, so now there's an extended to this reading on Patreon. The link will be given in the description box below. It's there, and I just hope you click that and just see how the story unfolds, what it is, what is ending, what it is which is coming new, and how that will unfold. And you're most welcome on Patreon. And if you choose to be with me till here, then thank you for being here and hope it helps. Bye.